In this video, let us explore primary key constraint. Primary key constraint is a combination of unique and not null constraint. The features of primary key: the column which has applied by primary key, that column never accept null value. The column which has applied by primary key, that column never accept duplicate record. So this is the reason we can say the primary key is a combination of unique and not null. Only one primary key can be applied on table. The main purpose of primary key for record uniqueness. If we can apply one primary key on more than one column, that indicates composite primary key. If a parent table contains composite primary key, the child table should also have composite foreign key constraint. Next one, the table which has applied primary key, the table is called as parent table. The table is called as a parent table. So this primary key constraint, it can be applied either in create table statement or in alter table statement. So now we can explore how to apply primary key constraint on create table statement. Afterwards we can explore how to apply primary key on alter table statement. So we'll go to our database. So first we can create a table. Create table student roll number int. This is the primary key. Primary key. The next one, first name, student first name, var_char of 50, and course name, var_char of 50, and next one called age, will provide age, that is the int, and next one date of join, that is the date, and next one city name, var_char of 50. Yes, we have created a table, and for this table we have applied primary key on roll number column. So now we can try to insert a valid record. Insert into student values. So 11, and we can provide roll number is 11 or roll number is 1, anything. Roll number 1 you can provide comma, and next one first name is Santosh, and course name is medical, and age is 22, and date of join 2022 hyphen October 07, and date of join, and city name is any city name. We can write any one of the city name, we can write. We'll try to insert the record. Once after inserting the record, we'll try to display the record available in the student table. Yes, now we can validate the student table, because in student table roll number column we have applied primary key constraint. As per the primary key constraint, the primary key constraint is a combination of unique and not null. So the roll number column never accept duplicate record, and it never accept null value. So now we can try to insert into student values. We can try to insert the same record. The person name is Adams, we can do, and his course name is computers, and his age is 25, and is 2023 hyphen 12 hyphen 12 or hyphen 24, and his city name, the city name is anything, Mysore, Tumkur or Ballari, anything you can write it. When I can try to insert this particular record, it's clearly indicating that which one the unique constraint is violated, duplicate entry. So again we can try to insert, we'll try to insert a null value. So when you can try to insert a null value, again it's telling this particular column, which is a column, roll number column should not accept null value, cannot be null. So because of this reason, we can say which one the primary key is a combination of unique and not null. It never accepts duplicate record and it never accepts null value. So now we have explored how to create a table. During creation of table, how to apply the primary key we have learned. Now we can try to apply the primary key on alter table statement. For that purpose, we can create a new table. Create table. The create table, the table name, or we can create the table, or we can use the same table only. So alter table. The table name is student. Drop. So primary key. As soon as we can drop the primary key, yes, primary key has dropped. So I have done the spelling mistake. So that's the reason I would like to go primary key. M-A-R-Y, primary key. Primary key. Yes, the primary key has dropped. So now if we can try to insert the duplicate record, yes, it is accepting. Okay, so we'll check now. We'll insert the duplicate record and afterwards we can remove it. Yes, it is accepting the duplicate record. Now if we can, because we have removed the primary key constraint from student, yes, it was having duplicate record. So now in order to apply the primary key on alter table statement, first we will remove the invalid record available in our student table. So delete from student where first name is equal to ADA Adams. Yes, we are deleted on record. Now if we can see select star from table, yes, currently we have a valid record. So now we need to apply primary key on alter table statement. Alter table student, add constraint stud pk, primary key. So I'm done the spelling mistake. Primary key, which is the primary key? Roll number. So again we'll check whether we have done the spelling mistake or not. Alter table student, add constraint constraint stud pk, that is the constraint name. You can provide anything. Primary key roll number, yes, the primary key got added. So now in this particular case we have added the primary key on roll number column by using alter table. Again we can try to insert the duplicate record. We'll do the same operation now. We can try to insert the duplicate record. You should not allow to insert the duplicate record. The reason, already roll number 1 is already available. Yes, it is telling duplicate entry. Again, if we can try to insert null value, it should not accept. The reason, already because the roll number column has applied by primary key constraint. It is a combination of unique and not null. It never accepts null value and it's never accept the duplicate record. Thank you.